Hey guys, we received this iPhone 13 case with a magnetic ring stand. So this is a nice case with the anti-scratch or the anti-fingerprint translucent matte base. So let me just open this up and show it to you. So this is the green color, and as you can see, this have the integrated folding invisible mag kickstand as well with the corners on the steel and really looks nice. So this is a kickstand that have this magnetic MagSafe charging thing as well, and also had the sides and the corners is all smooth. So this is my iPhone 13. So I'm just putting in here. So from all the corners, this fits really well. The camera thing also covers well and is all protective. The corner side and the buttons, everything is working as you can see it here. And then volume button up and down. There is no issue with the buttons and the mute button as well. The speakers and the charging port. So all these things are really fits well with this case, and this is a kickstand. You can put it on the landscape mode or the horizontal phase, and this really is nice thing because if you want to watch a movie or something, you can just hold it there. And the second important thing is the MagSafe because this clip is actually act as a MagSafe charger as well. As you can see, start charging on the case. So this is a really nice thing with this case that it has this kickstand with the MagSafe thing and also can be used for things. From the corner of the side, you can see there's a gap so it will not scratch the screen. From this corner, it will protect the camera, and also all these buttons working fine and looks good with the translucent screen or the back. So all over, this is a nice and protective case and very helpful for keeping the mobile safe.